Hi everyone and welcome back to Peggy's Picks. Happy Valentine week. I hope everybody is doing well. I hope you're warm in this crazy weather. We have been off camera for a while and we've just been busy. I've been doing my 22 and a half hours continuing education for real estate. Every 2 years we have to do 22 and a half hours, including an ethics class, which is so important. And it keeps us all on track and up to date with everything that's going on, new laws, whatever, but you must have it. Last time I did it 2 years ago, I went upstate. I said, let me just go upstate. I'll do it for the weekend. It's our place up there. And I finished up. It was like 11:30 at night. And I went upstairs to go to bed. And I heard a noise. And I was like, what is that noise? I looked outside. There was a huge bear in our garbage. And I was just freaking out. I thought, oh my God, it's going to come in the house, whatever. So I call Rich and I'm like this. I'm like, oh my God, is a bear out there? And in his calm manner, he says to me, hit the car fob. I was like, what? He goes, hit the car fob. And I hit the car fob and it ran away. I heard it through the night. And then around 2:30 in the morning, it was on our back deck. I was like freaked out. So I'm here doing that now. I also invested in a mentorship program, teaching me, trying to keep up to date with everybody, all about AI and digital marketing. And sometimes the stars just align because you get a one-on-one coach. And I was assigned a coach. Her name is Jessie. And she was asking about me, what do I do? What's my life like? So I was telling her all about my personal life. And then I told her I've been a realtor for 25 years. And I'm also a certified aromatherapist and a Reiki master practitioner. And she got excited because her mum, as she calls it, because she's from the UK, her mom had just passed. And her mother always used essential oils on her when she was a little girl and always had them in the house. So she and I both felt like it was a sign, like her mom put us together so that we can go through this program together. And we're just teaching each other about manifestation and manifesting the life and the business that we want to have and how to do it with this AI and the digital marketing. Phil, who is the founder of the company, he's in his 30s and he was really down on his luck, and he learned everything he could about AI and digital marketing and became very, very, very successful. And the reason I got pulled towards him was because of his relationship with his mother. And he said to his mother, Mom, if I make this work and I can figure this out, I'm going to teach everyone I know how to do this. And I just felt drawn to him. And then I was, matched up with Jessie. So, the stars aligned, the universe and God kissed us and said, here you go. So I've been having a lot of fun with that group of people and my mentor and coach. And then Rich and I busy. Rich and I have been working on something behind the scenes for a while. We haven't shared it with anyone. And we're very, very excited about it. We've never worked together on a project before. So it really hasn't been very challenging. We like to sit and discuss and talk. So we've come up with some great ideas and super excited about it. We can't wait to share it with everybody. It's in the works right now. It's here, but we just need to, button some things up before we can actually share it with everybody. But I would say by the end of April, that should be really about to explode. So very excited about that. And then we did do a little traveling. We went down to Key Biscayne. Rich had a conference. We stayed at the Ritz-Carlton. Oh my goodness, if you just need a little pampering, go there. Even if you stay a weekend, it is just the staff, the food, everything is just top notch. We just loved it. So if you go there, you have to go to the back bar. It's called the Dune Bar, and it's in the adult swimming pool area. And there's a bartender back there. His name is Gino. He's been there. He's been in the Keys for 47 years. He has been there for 25. I think he's 70. He swims a mile or two in the ocean every day. and he is in amazing shape, but he has stories. He was Jimmy Buffett's like bartender for his Thanksgiving parties right there in Key Biscayne. He just had a lot of stories. He's a real character. We had to all do this singing thing. I mean, it was just so much fun. And my goodness, can he make a good pina colada? So if you go there, go see Gino at the Doom Bar. And then our besties picked us up, Cheryl and Tom, and the four of us went down to Isla Morada and stayed at La Siesta. And it was just the cutest place. And I could not believe that I remembered staying there when I was in my 20s. So it's still there. It's beautiful. We went kayaking, we went cycling, but oh my God, it was freezing. Not until the last day we were leaving did it go over 60 degrees. So it's been a magnificent month. It's been a month of learning, of traveling, of creating, of manifesting. So I'm very excited to share all of that with you. But for Valentine's Day, I want to give you a gift. I want to show you how to make this very luxurious Himalayan pink salt body scrub that will make your skin feel drenched in this cold weather where everyone's skin is so dry. And this gift is for you for Valentine's Day. I want to give it to you. Show yourself some self-care, some self-love. It just is, it's something to say, I love myself, I care for myself, I'm going to do this for myself. So we'll do that. We're going to go in the kitchen and take care of that. And I just want to say that there really is no place like home, like to get home after being away, sometimes living out of a suitcase. You come home, all of your things are here, the things that you love, your spirit's in the house, your energy is in the house. So that is why, one of the reasons I created Peggy's Picks for Home and Healing, because there is no place like home, right? So let's go in the kitchen and create this beautiful, luxurious body scrub for you for Valentine's Day. Let's go. Okay, so now we're in the kitchen. I have my recipe book with me. I have all my ingredients and my supplies. So here it's very simple. We have 1 cup of very fine grain pink Himalayan salt. We have a 1/4 cup of coconut oil melting on the stove. We have rose petals. These are actually from my rose garden out in the yard. I have red, but thanks to my friend Lisa, who gave us a gift certificate for our wedding for David Austin roses, I should have tangerine and orange and yellow this year as well. And then I just have my essential oils, which is the essential oil of rose, absolute, and then a little vanilla just to give it that very warm and earthy scent. And the most important ingredient that we're putting into our salt scrub is our intention, because everything we do should be done with intention, right? So the intention here for me would be let this salt scrub nourish my skin and my body during these cold winter months where my skin is so dry. Let the scent of the roses nourish my heart during this time and bring a lot of self-love to me as I'm using this. So here we go. We're going to do this really, really quickly. We have a cup of the salt scrub. We have a 1/4 cup of the coconut oil. Right in here we go. I'm spilling. We have, and just crush these, we have roses. We have our spatula to put this all together. If you need a tiny little bit more of the coconut oil, you can put that in, but really you don't. You don't. It's all stirred together. Look at that. It's all stirred together. And now, the secret potion, we're going to put 5 to 7 drops of rose oil in there. Oh my gosh, that smells good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to add 2 drops of vanilla. Stir that all together. You can see what it looks like. Beauty. Oh my gosh, that is wonderful. And then you're just going to put this on your, wow, with the coconut oil warm. Oh my gosh. It's so amazing. Please make it for yourself. Please make it for yourself. Put your own intention into it and enjoy the nourishing feeling it will give you. I'm so happy to be back. I'm so happy that you're here, and I can't wait to see you soon. Happy Valentine's Day. Love. Loving you.